Hello.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Jackie. How about you?
My name is Kongqwang.
Oh, hello, Kongqwang. How old are you, Kongqwang?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old?
Yes.
Wow. So, how's your day today? How are you today?
Mm, I'm great.
Okay, very good. Did you already take your dinner?
No,
Not yet?
not yet.
Ah, okay. So, are you ready for the lessons today?
Yes.
Okay, let me share my screen. Wait a minute. Did you already see my screen?
Yes.
So, before we start our lesson for today, we will have a game. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, this game, I want you to group um, the pictures here if it is melting or freezing. So,
Yes.
do you know about melting
Yes.
and freezing? Okay, so let's start. So, the first one, is this melting or freezing? Just choose
Freezing.
freezing. Okay, here. So this one, what is this? Melting or freezing?
Freezing.
Freezing. All right. This, what is this picture?
Mm, Freezing.
Freezing. This one,
Freezing.
freezing. This one, ice cream. Melting or freezing?
Melting.
Melting. Okay. This one, a chocolate.
Melting.
Melting. How about this? This is a metal.
Me- Melting.
Melting. How about this?
Melting.
Melting. Oh, the last one?
Melting.
Melting. So let's see your answers if it is correct. Oh, wow, perfect. Good job, Kongkwan. All your answers
Thank
are
you.
correct. So, here are our lessons for today. Did you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So our lesson for today it is about what is this? Can you read this?
Physical change.
Changes.
Changes.
Yeah, physical changes. So, um, a physical changes, these are the transitions from one state to another. So, here are the some of the vocabulary words. So the first one is, can you read this?
Vaporization.
The second is,
Melting.
yes. The third is,
Dissolution.
and the fourth one,
Temperature.
temperature. And the last one is,
Physical changes.
yeah. So these vocabulary words, we will learn this later, okay? So here in the picture, what can you see?
Mm,
What did you see in the picture?
kettle.
The kettle, yeah. There is a kettle. So, the mother and the daughter, they boiling a water into a kettle. Do you already experience boiling a water, Kongqwang?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So, um, her daughter asked her mother, like, "Mom, why is there steam coming out from the kettle?" And the mother said to her daughter, "That's right, let us find out why." So, in our lesson for today, we will find out why the steam coming out from the kettle. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So let me turn my page here. So those vocabulary words that we seen earlier, we will able to know what are those. So the first one is, what is the first one?
Melting.
Okay, can you read this?
When some solids are heated until a certain level, they may change their state from solid to liquid. This is called melting.
Yeah, very good. Melting. So a melting it is a process that a matter change. So from the solid into a liquid. So there's the example. Here's the example. Just like the ice. It is a solid one. And when the ice will be put into a hot water, it will become, what will become of the ice? Concon.
Water.
It will become, the solid will become,
Liquid.
yeah, very good. Yeah, the solid one will be,
Liquid.
okay, yeah, very good. The solid one will become liquid. So that is called melting. So another example of melting is like an ice cream, right? An ice cream. This, it will be getting melting when it will get out on the like a fridge, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is melting. And the second one, it is a, can you read this?
Solidification.
Yeah, solidification. Can you read it?
When a liquid is cooled until a certain level, it may change its state from liquid to solid. This is called solidification.
Yeah, solidification. So, it is also called a freezing. Yeah, from the liquid, it will turns out into a solid, just like here, the water. They the water pour out into a an ice cube, and they will put it into the fridge. After a minute, because of the certain level, it will become what will become the water.
Uh, ice.
Oh yeah, it will become ice, or it will called a solid, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the water here, when pouring out and just put it into the fridge, it will become solid. So that is called ice. So that is solidification. It is also called a freezing. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So the next one is,
Vaporization.
yeah, vaporization. Can you read it?
When the liquid is heated until a certain level, it may change its state from liquid to gas. There are two ways to this.
Can you read it?
Evaporation,
Yeah.
a natural process wherein the liquid at the surface changes to gas.
Yeah.
Boiling, a change from liquid to gas that happens when a liquid is heated until the reaches its boiling point.
Okay, so vaporization. So this is what happened. This is what happened in this picture, like here, the mother and the daughter. Wait a minute. So, when the daughter and mother boiling a water in the kettle, the water is heated until a certain level. So from the liquid, it comes up into a gas, or um, or it evaporates into steam. So that is called evaporation because of the certain level of heat. The it will evaporate, that will called a gas. So that is that the steam. All right. Did you already experience that? That the boiling water will be evaporates, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, wait. So that is vaporization. And the fourth one is, what is the fourth one?
Condensation.
Yeah, condensation. So can you read it?
When when the gas is cooled until a certain level, it may change its state from gas to liquid. This is called condensation.
Yeah, condensation. So from the from the vaporization into the gases, here in condensation, from the gases it will change into a liquid. So that is the vapor of the gases. Can you see it? Which is the steam here. It will change into a liquid that what we see a water droplets, right? After the
Yes.
yeah, after the evaporation of the gases, which is the steam, like just for example, just the steam of the boiling water, there will be a changes into a liquid that will be comes out into a water droplets, just like this. Another example. Wait, here.
Okay.
Yeah, that. There will be a gases that evaporates and it will transform into a liquid, and that it will be transformed into a water droplets, or like um a small circles that is.
Mm,
Yeah, this one. Can you see it?
yes.
Yeah, these small water droplets. So that is called condensation. All right. Okay. So the third one is I mean the fifth one is, can you read this?
Sublimation.
Yeah, sublimation. Can you read this?
When some solids are heated until a certain level, they may change their state from solid to gas directly without being a liquid first. This is called sublimation. Some examples of solid that can sub, um,
Bernal. Yeah,
are Bernal,
yeah.
uh,
Camphor.
camphor, dry ice, camphor, dry ice,
Not
naphthalene,
yeah,
and
not
iodine flakes.
yeah. So the fifth one is sublimation. So a sublimation. So from the solid one, when it is heated into a certain level, they may change their state from solid into solid into a gases. So just like for example here, a example of sublimation, just like here, an ice. So here the example of sublimation, just like a dry ice. So a dry ice, when it is heated at certain level, so it is evaporates their gases, just like here. Can you see it?
Yes,
Yeah, a dry ice, they a solid one, they evaporates a gases. So another is, oh, wait. Yeah, this, so that it is very clearly. Yeah, a solid one. From the solid one, it will comes out or change it into a gases. So that is called sublimation. All right. So this last one, it is, what is this? Can you read it, Kongqwang? Hello.
Deposition.
Okay, wait. Yeah, deposition.
Deposition.
Can you read it?
When some gases are cooled until a certain level, they may change their state from gas to solid directly without being a liquid first. This is called deposition.
Yeah, so the last one is deposition. So when some gases are cooled, their state from gases will turns out into a solid. So just like here, an example. Here, an example of deposition. From the gas, it will turns out into a solid. Did you already see this? Like a leaves that are
No,
that's surrounded into a ice. So deposition, it will comes out just for example when winter comes out. So because of the certain level of the ice that surrounds, um, the the gases will be turned out into a solid. So that is here. The leaves are surrounded into a ice, or that will become a solid. Did you already experience winter?
no,
Oh no, me too. We only have summer here in our place. How about your place?
yes.
Here.
It's have summer, rainy, and I think winter, but the winter is not cold.
Oh, so these are some of the example. Like here. Do you know what is snowflakes? Snowflakes?
Yes,
Yeah. So here this is some of the example of deposition. So from the gases that surrounds that from the gases that surrounds, it will turns out into a solid one. So here, that is one of the example of deposition. All right. Here too. This is the game that we do earlier, and you are correct. Wait. Here. Oh, wait. This. It is freezing, right?
yes.
Yeah, it is freezing. So that is also come out into the gases. Okay. Here, also beautiful. So, so these are the physical changes. So there are six physical changes, and that's are what are the six physical changes? Kongqwang?
Melting, solidification, vaporization, condensation, sublimation, and deposition.
Yeah, very good. So to summarize it, if physical changes, these are the a process that it matters from a one state to another. So there will have a change. There will have a changes. So that is like the first one is melting. So from the solid one, it will comes out into a liquid. So just example the ice. And when we put the ice into a hot water, it will become liquid, right? And the next one will be the solidification. When we pour out a water and put it into a fridge, it will become a solid. So that will called a ice. And the third one is vaporization. So from the liquid into the gases. So that is what the mother and daughter um boiling a water when the gas when the water is boiling the gases will be evaporate. And the fourth one is a condensation. So from the gases, it will comes out into a liquid. So just like here, the vapor of the gas, like the steam of the boiling water, um, it will comes out into a water droplets. Excuse me. And the fifth one is the sublimation. Like from the solid, it will comes out into a gas, like this, just like this, an iodine flakes. When they pour out into like a water and a chemical water, the gases was evaporate. Okay?
Okay,
And the deposition. So the last one is the deposition. So from um gases, it will turns out into solid. So here it will turns out into solid. So you are so very good, Kongqwang.
thank you.
Yeah, you are so very good student. So, let's have a games more. Okay? Okay. Let me open this. Here. Did you see it?
Yes,
Okay, get ready. Okay, what is this?
I'm melting.
Melting. Okay, let's find out. Wow, very good. Correct. Wow, 100. Another one. Let's skip this. Get ready. This one. Go, 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 Kongqwang.
Freezing.
Freezing. Yeah, very good. Freezing. And your score will be, it's add into 100 plus 26. So you have now 249. Very good. Get ready. An ice cream.
Melting.
Melting. Wow, very good, Kun. So your score now is 374. Wow, very good. Wow. So you have a bonus, so we will pick this. Oh, I'm sorry. You will be minus 50. It's
It's okay.
okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You will be do it. Go, go, go. This one.
Um, Freezing.
Freezing. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, very good, Kun. Your score will be 449. Very good. So, the question number 5.
Melting.
Melting. Do you love chocolate? Wow, very good. And oh, you already have 574. Wow. So, the sixth one. This, like a candle,
Melting.
melting. Oh, you're so good, Kwan.
Thank
Your
you.
score is now added. Oh, you have 698. Oh, there is a bonus round. Just, I want you to choose Kwan. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose.
Uh,
Number
Three, I guess.
3?
Three.
3, okay.
Yes.
Wow, very good. You're so good. You have 100 points add. Very good, Kunkan. You're so good. So question number 7. Oh, this one. A metal.
Melting.
Melting. You're so great. Oh, you have now 921. Good job. So, the eighth question. This is sublimation.
Freezing.
Freezing? Okay.
Yes.
Very good, Kun. Oh, you have 1044 points. Oh, the question number 9. Get ready. What is this?
Freezing.
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 Okay. Good job. It is correct. So your score now is 1170. Oh, bravo. Bravo, Kongqwang, you are so good. Oh, so let's see the leaderboard. I think you are now. Oh, you are here now. Ether, you are in the second places. Good job, Kongqwang. Okay, wait. Let me stop my sharing. Okay. So do you love English subject? Kongqwang? Science subject?
Yes.
Oh, why do you love science subject?
Because it's have a experiment.
Experiments, yeah. Me too. I love experiments. Do you experience already I experiment in your school?
Yes.
Yeah. What are the things that you do in experiment?
Mm, made more.
Many more. Oh. So, in our lesson for today, we will it could be use them as a experiment too, right? Just like example for a melting, like just for example the melting, like the ice, a solid ice when we put it into a where do we put the solid ice that will become a liquid? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, like just for example in experimenting, like wait, just like in experimenting, the ice, and we want to change it into a liquid so that we will put the ice into a hot water. So the ice or the solid will become a liquid. So that is we could also use that as a experiment. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I think wait, we are running out of time. Oh, we still have okay. We still have 7 minutes. So you already did you take your dinner?
No.
No, you are not hungry? You're not yet hungry?